Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm in my mom's kitchen and she is going to show us how to make light and crispy waffles. I believe it's a recipe from your sister. Yep. So these are delicious. I'm not even a huge waffle fan and they're pretty good. So let's get started.
Okay, we're going to start by separating 2 eggs. We're going to beat the egg whites, but we're going to use the egg yolks in the batter. Okay, now we're going to add 2 cups of milk to the egg yolks, 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of oil, and we're going to mix all this up, but then we're going to beat the egg whites until they're stiff and then fold those egg whites into the batter. So I'm going to mix the batter first. Okay, I'm going to rinse these beaters off because I should have done the egg whites first so that the beaters weren't dirty. Okay, now I'm going to beat the egg whites until they form peaks. Okay, those look done. Okay, we beat the egg whites until they formed a peak, and that we're going to fold this into the batter. That just makes the batter real light and crispy when you cook it. So it adds air to the batter basically. So you know your egg whites are done when they kind of stand up by themselves like that. So now I'm going to fold these in, and folding means just kind of putting them in the batter. And you're not really going to stir it. You're just going to fold the batter over the egg whites until they're fairly mixed. It doesn't have to be totally mixed, but just fold it into the batter. This keeps the air in the batter. Okay, that looks good. See, you can see a little bit of egg white still in there, but that's good. That'll keep air in the batter. Makes them nice and fluffy and crisp. Okay, we're ready to make waffles. I have a Belgian waffle maker, which makes them kind of thick, which I like. You just spray it with a little Pam or spray oil and make sure it's good and heated up. I put about 2/3 of a cup in mine and bake them for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll see steam coming out when they cook, and when the steam kind of stops, that means they're done. So I'll put about 2/3 of a cup, close the lid, and I'm going to set my timer for about 3 minutes to check them. Again, steam will be coming out and we can check them in a second. Okay, we're going to check it now. It's still steaming, but I'm going to check it. Okay, that looks nice and golden brown, so that looks done. It's nice and crispy. So this one's done. It was about 4 minutes, I think. I'm going to spray it and start another one. Now you can top them. If you like butter, you can top them with butter and syrup, just a normal waffle. And add syrup. Or you can make them fancy by putting canned pie filling on them. My kids always liked cherry and blueberry pie filling when they were kids. And then you can add syrup. Or you can put bananas, and caramel, as much as you like. And then my favorite is ice cream with a little whipped cream on it. Or a lot. You can put whipped cream on any or all of them. So there you go. You can have all kinds of variations of waffles for dinner or for breakfast.
If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. I hope to see you guys very soon. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you have a good one. Thanks, guys. Bye.